We are given daily prices of a stock, and we may buy once and sell once, but the sell must come after the buy. We want the largest possible profit. In 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4, buying at 1 and selling at 6 gives a profit of 5, the best we can do. How do we find it in one pass? As we walk through the days, we keep the cheapest price we have seen so far, because that is the best day we could have bought. At each new day, if we sold today, the profit would be today's price minus that lowest buy price. We track the best such profit across all days, and we keep updating the minimum whenever a cheaper day appears. One pass gives the answer. We start the minimum price at the first day and the best profit at 0. For each day, if the price is a new low, we update the minimum. Otherwise, we check whether selling today beats our best profit, and if so, we update it. At the end, best holds the maximum profit. Let's build the greedy profit finder. We track the cheapest price so far starting at day 1 and the best profit starting at 0. Each day, if the price is a new low, we remember it as the best day to have bought. Otherwise, we see if selling today beats our best profit and return the best at the end. Now, let's test it and hit run. In the first case, the best profit is 5, buying at 1 and selling at 6. When prices only fall, no profit is possible, so the answer is 0. When they only rise, we buy first and sell last for 3. Each day, we either update the lowest buy price if the price dropped, or check whether selling today gives a bigger profit than our best. When the days run out, we return the best profit. We look at each day once, so order end time, and we only keep a running minimum and best profit, so order one space. The sell day must come after the buy day, which is why we only ever compare against the low seen earlier. If prices only fall, we simply do not trade, so the profit is 0 rather than negative. Keep the running minimum updated as you go.